Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to make what I'm calling all around good mushrooms. You start with a pot, a pan on the stove, and you turn it to a medium heat, and into that pan, you're going to put 2/3 of a cup of vegetable broth or water. It depends on which one you want to use. I always use vegetable broth. While that's boiling, I'm going to measure out some of the other ingredients because that's the mushrooms and some other things I'll tell you about. But first thing is sherry. Now this is real sherry. If you have a problem with eating real sherry, drinking sherry, for whatever reason, you don't have to use 4 teaspoons of this. You could just use water, okay? So put it in a bowl. 4 teaspoons, that's what it is. This is a 4 teaspoon measure. And then this is Wild Groves, the balsamic vinegar, and this one is traditional. This makes it taste so wonderful. So you can use regular balsamic vinegar, but this one, for those of you who have already purchased these, you know this is going to be really good. So put in 4 teaspoons of the Wild Groves traditional balsamic. Now it's so thick, so I'm going to scrape this spoon so that I get it all. Add 1.5 teaspoons of just plain pure lemon juice. I keep this in the refrigerator. And the other one, the last ingredient, to just give it a nice kick, is you put a pinch of cayenne pepper into this little mixture. Just a little pinch, that's all. Put it in there. And then stir it up well. Okay. We're going to come over to the stove and we're going to do everything else. You add 5 cups of sliced mushrooms. Now, I sliced Portabella mushroom caps, cremini mushrooms, which are the baby bellas, and also some shitake mushrooms. Makes a nice mix. And this is 5 cups. Then you add 1/2 cup of onion. I added 1/4 cup of Vidalia sliced and 1/4 cup of scallions, both, or green onion, both the green and the white. And then these lumps right here are the garlic. Chop up a large garlic and put that in as well. Then let this cook for 3 minutes. And you're cooking it on a medium high heat because you want to bring it back to the boil. After the 3 minutes are up, pour in the balsamic vinegar mixture right into the pan. Set your timer and cook it for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Turn your heat back down to medium and just let it cook. You want to make sure that you stir occasionally with no lid on your pot because you want these mushrooms to caramelize. You want all of the liquid to just dissipate so that you end up with, through the miracle of video, this is all you get. This is what happens to them. And these mushrooms are so tasty, are so tasty. I have used them over beans, over rice, over farro. I've used them over pasta, potatoes, and today we're going to do it over brown rice. This is a serving if you're eating McDougall style, more starch-based. Then you put on some of the mushrooms, just like that. So spoon on a little brown rice gravy. After that, sprinkle on a little parsley flakes. I just used the dried. And to make a nice meal, I just steamed some broccoli and multicolored carrots. This recipe was adapted from a McDougall's cookbook and it's called McDougall Mushrooms. I'll put the link below with the name of the book. I don't have it right here. And that's it, guys. This is all there is to this. I'm going to taste a little bit of this because I know it's delicious. Sometimes if I'm really hungry and want a snack, I'll just go in with a spoon and eat maybe a spoonful and I'm good. Drink some water and I'm fine for at least an hour before dinner's finished or whatever meal it is that I'm waiting for. But these are really good. This is delicious. I can't wait till we finish recording so I can eat this. But I'm telling you, you make these mushrooms, you're gonna like them too. This would be a nice little part for your Thanksgiving or Christmas meal. That's the end. All around good mushrooms. End of the video. But don't forget to click on the bell so that you'll receive every notification when we upload a new video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'm talking to all of you who haven't subscribed. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It's very important. Okay? So I appreciate you watching. And so until next time, troopers, sing along with me. Bye for now.